And then Friday. The last working day of the week. And the first working day of the month of February. Yes. It's a way. Day back up at the end of the week, now a sign at the end, share another great man, I say. So we need to be thankful to God. I say it to me, Denya me, I say. One pen so I would dream. Kakra. And yet, Yenina, na yetimi etwa 2018. Ebinu ansana ye cross over. FE 18 mo aba 19 no. Omo antimi an cross it. Ebinu so ya cross we ye no mo. We are very hopeful san kakra nyame de betwa. Na ka 2019 so no. Eduru aye no mu na san cross akọ 20. But in the month of January ni mu na no. Why no more kai? And they are because I want me and TNC February. It is a menu me and that day, a day, Deacon or February Bosumi. Even with the fruit of your lips, you go so just Namoje dear for Sunday. Now you are not, yeah, the Casa. Now you are soon to go to Atiasem. Now you are nine so boy me and Anticoba. Now the NC so on your mamma. Ah, they as I say, you free moon now. Near Denyamias or question. So come in now. Let's do this. Let's praise our Maker, y'all. First call on the line. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Jerry.
Me patro your friend saying.
Otini Sema from 11.
Achu. Oti.
Yeah.
Okay, patro you.
Nyami ayebia maye papa.
Amen.
Mama asabe tuje busu mi February abe Jerry egefa. Ipe pe nefimu. Amane be na asobi mu. Yetiatia. Le nyami Adom. Na ayebia maye.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Yes, that's a pa. What's your friend Eden Nyamiasi? Today is all about thanking God. It's all about praising Him for ushering us into another month. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now, I know you know.
We are not very much contaminated.
Are you contaminated to the door? But your Casamian Granny.
Oh, yeah, the children for young Kwanso. So I come up, I show you so. I buy a home by Eddie bedroom to say, I never see I knew you here for. In Shangan, William Canning, in 2 in Mamma Black, so I want a plus. No, I bought him in money now, who find Amaya to came from not contaminated. Near that would be to my care and one was the intention or having here. Who back Cantamantua? Yet Danyanku Pass, the interesting, the accident in our children from Yankupo.
Amen. 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 Yes, that's a part. This is one voice. Pentecostal praise. Any idea praise here, Radhi? Hello. Sorry. Hello.
Hello, Bladeli.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Apo mu yapa dumunti ya fra say.
But I feel Ophelia and Casefi La Scala Market.
Sister Ophelia mo akwa ban patro yenti we.
I the radia say na so dey ache bosumi fufurase. Yes, when is uncle say boy your whole bunch of we so. The be mu so ne sani bia on pem gumba ya de woni. Amen.
Amen. Jesus. Oh Jesus. Jesus, oh Jesus, oh Timoda. Jerry, my happy birthday, more champagne. And come on, Mrs. Priscilla, na shika noy. Wishing God's blessings, Papa B. And happy birthday, come on, Mrs. Priscilla, na shika noy. With your cousin Festus on your bushini chain, wishing you a happy birthday. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry. Apom.
Nyame adom tie ye pa. Now so.
Na adom na fi tie nso ye.
Great. Me pa cho ye tie we.
Me da nyame ase. Ma ya brabo ni ye nkwa. Se Nyankopon ahwe so bosom ba ko, no ye ki bosom ba ko ni nde. Ya ntia nkabo ni bia ye nam kwan so tema kwan so no pani anwumdo ye koba. Aboni biara ntie. Ye tia se anwumdo ye da ase. Da nyame ase.
Amen.
So wo se bosuma wo siga bia nyamba ye botumu ye nso. Enkwa tie mu no so mo sense kana beba ye botumu.
No crazy kan de beba. Enkwa ne ya.
De ba o sa ye hwe kwan se beba. Nyame ma ye nkwa de da ma.
Beba. Enkwa ne ya bibia be fine. Ye da ase pa for your call. Yeah, oh, 1 hour, 21 minutes to 4. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, brother.
Hey, why you didn't know?
We are trying to marry the Catholic Kotobabi down.
Nice one.
The Nyamia Mama Bravo, the Nyamia Mama Bravo. Let's start to fee any the brain, let's start to answer, and on the first, the brain, Kaya. And Sunyamia ya drum catcher, mother, but you know what there is your Fusania. Me de radias, mamma, myself with the over Missy. I walk to Baby Station, Mamma Vide or down, me then Yamias man bravo, me then Yamias ma Adom FM phone na, me then Yamias ma in the building. I mean, son, the liberal was Yamin Cano, me then Yamias mamma, madam, at the pump foot siemo, hairdresser's foot siemo, apprentice foot siemo, Jerry Justice number 1.
Why Nina? Jerry, happy birthday to you and all February borns. You February for it, that's it. And then for my husband, Mr. Maxwell Mekuzi of ICGC Zoe Temple, Community 5. The message here says, I love you. I enjoy sharing life with you. And I pray that all your heart desires be granted. Your birthday is very special. Chop kiss. Hey. Get your door. I say excess love from Mrs. Rose Amekuzi. God bless you. Also mean dedicated showing now from Manukunu. And then Patrol showing now you couldn't It's Mr. Maxwell Amekuzi. Happy birthday to you. Wife of door, papa. Hello. Cuckoo is not accepted. Hello. Yes, you are very much accepted. Your brother say.
Yes, I'm a Patricia Farry.
Sister Pat, no.
Jerry, no. I'm prompt to say.
I'm not the woman.
You are needing my friends.
But who the problem? All right, it's your way.
Jerry, you're the Michelle, and the Mammy Paki, what is Pacho? Michelle, ne, for your first of February. You're the Yamiase, Yamia Tumke. Nipona nampore bisa na first o ame fa me funa mu say na first in fact Nyankopon yebi every time bia ya na wotre wom na woto ani a enda so ni baabi a ba no abo ho ban twaje we bi kwa bia to baabi na we de we twa 1 month asa kwa another month in fact Nyankopon ejodo na me so se na ye fa ho nturu so ye ni ansum no wono kware mu enu na mmemu agen no obeboa ye amen.
Happy birthday going out to Leslie Hammond, aka Mr. Leham Mix. Hey, the message here says, I love you so much from Akete. Hey. Hello. Better than your cuckoo. Hello. Good afternoon. Honorable me where pa Dumu radio no why?
You Marty.
Na your mom come bibi aboko there.
You know bibi aboko, how I say.
Yes, you your power.
You the Raznasi.
You.
The Raznasi there. Show my domus chair. General Sulu and I'm kind. I mean, that's it. I see nothing. Me fraud my FM. That me don't know.
na mecha mi kabi fashion na Georgia na come to 9 players na show bibia
okay
Coco na
amuna da wase why
you
all right oh man it's honorable Nietin can from our shaman Mama Sunday congratulatory message and from Mrs. Bella Mamle Na Neza. You graduated today with a Master of Science in the Business Consulting and Enterprise Risk from the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. We are all happy for you and we are happy for your success. Yes, keep going higher. Now, Uknu, Mr. Neza, or Simen Kancho said, on one said you feel that day. Now, Bibia Sanko years that is a feeling now more. It's your Simen Kancho said, well done. Congrats to you. Nyamisha, Mrs. Bella Mamle Na Neza. You are with the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly. Congrats. Master of Science in Business Consulting and Enterprise Risk. You enough for me. It's now 3:45 on 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. It's your own show, Ofie Kwanso, with me, Jerry. Keep it locked right here. Oh, okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Pacho Mate.
Yeah, bro, say.
Jerry, respecting you, somebody better to fight.
Okay.
Come on, Abo.
You respect you too.
You know, can you be Jerry, Ubudima Papa, Mishro. Debia make us a me respect the Minchana, Sabi, Minyasha, my skin, and some Adena Miasi. Jerry, Yami, Asha Osma, the Chipompoti, Dicasipan, Wayamo. Jerry, Madame customers I see, Yami, sure, Monoma, Omuduman Coso, Debia, my customers, the Marco because of them, yeah. Jerry, Omo Mamka Kama Musumi Bidi, and Yami, sure, Bia, no many Duman Coso.
Amen.
Jerry, Nimpaba could be a Sabi Oti, Adom from Papa, Oya Mobility, Ashama branch, Atarika, Omobo Modimpa, Bentum.
You don't want to say. You don't want to say. If I try for last 2 calls near the sea. But before we do that, this message here says a happy birth month to you, sunshine. Yeah, I love this one. Yes. It is a voice of my heart. That you defeat all challenges and be successful not only in this month but all the years of your life in Jesus' name. Thank you so much, Kathy. I so appreciate this one. May God bless you too. No man call any more. Oh yes you do.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Auntie Magini.
Hey, my mom is I feel commentary, Auntie Maggie.
Hey. Only Kwame Obo there. Nana sample for a day. Me mamunya na fish, apane ayowa.
I feel commentary.
Me yaw.
Oh.
Na me ya na me sin na pa de me ya. Ana na se bibi ti ahoma yi so. E na ye pumpun ni nyina me ya na umfa na ntem ti na ka to. Na jare unu ya ba kon. Enra no di ni birthday. Enra no nya 45 years.
Oh ye de nyame ase.
Owo Kansas City. Ni America ne se nyame onsra no.
Amen.
Na on mani fi adom nkwa adom o ti adom FM pa. Enti obeti me kan obeti. The friend Benjamin. Nyame isra ne pa. One na yire ne ma. Na yire ne ye good mame. Me hu asewa oye good sada. Da bia me kasa onipa wo ye obi de ye a onso de ye ye. Jare akwala no me na me titi no o se me nchen
ana me ware ne ma me ba ne koy nanso se ne obuo ne di akwala ne di ama me besi me no wanya hanta ni dwe bia nkyere me one me ba ne ti asomdwe mo wan wo tre nyame sira me ba no na on hwe ne yere ne ma yie onwo ya busua enti de wo be ye bia no nyame ntobo supangu so Oma ne nkwane ahoden eno na me sira ma no
amen
nyame nka dmo FM4 me ma mu nyina afisi apa ma me akua me ma na afisi apa me pe ma me na samo dodo enti ya no achia na ma no
obeti yo atuma ya da se nyame nka ho ya da se pa bye bye me ma me fo no ba ko no Auntie Maggie of City and City. My friend said, "You for your last caller. Hello, good afternoon."
Hello. Good evening.
So was it almost phone in your papa? I am. That's to say.
I had the move, but you're 7 Benny's because Ofie Adom.
You Benny's go anyway.
But me don't nyase mama madam me don't nyase mama busia me don't nyase e mommy seniors me don't nyase ma obia me don't nyase ma obo adie so can we show obia
amen
bye
Jesus oh sing order Yeah, fast that can say my proud sponsors real quick. Petra Trust. Petra Trust. Also person dash in your face. Or person dash in the muya dead. Yes, on cockra boom, boom. Now so fast I near the in K. And it's you see and Kyle say it is how much control you have over your money and not how much money you have. And no any me aboa no watimi achieve your future goals and it's just be on Petra na yantimi mo say be efficiently wetimi control sika no through savings, investments, pensions and the account bebre. Why? For Petra Trust CCR was 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. Kojak Farmer. It's your Muswana, sorry. And now, do any chira. Unya in Rupapa. And they Kojak Farmer. And mind the original pro code made a Kutia code ni flu. Korea sign my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste. The Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash. And a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. I'm not why ya now was sensitive to ya now was saying F and film basa udia dear she and I dear new and I dear a situation where the pa now self film on who is your product ya Nina Bijay come apart. Ubenya biato pharmacy shops how do you name or pedodo pad ya. She Kojak from a check or can she drug lane. And yes, our friend was 0260 870 780 a face 0249 209 920. DBS Industries Limited. And Danny the Obesio. Na ne most one on the Asemono. Jeja. I hear you penatary. It's the air catcher one say. Budget color link plus roofing sheet. Never board dance so simple and tight. Pre-coated roofing sheet. Roofing sheet are losing content no near AZ150. Yaka just between AZ30 and AZ50. But to be any amount 20-year warranty also. And they could acquire that also bit me enjoy 5% discount. I was young paying up at the end. DBS Industries Limited. There was Spinter's Road. Ofie so and check no du papa restaurant. Fraying. Yeah, but also 0577 619 102. Afi 0543 286 637. And no, I don't know them. Buy101.com. A patron yama bena here. There we be our Buy101.com. Opa dance you near my building materials. And now open car. And now open spare part. As I say, and now dine. And now home appliances. Sanya may now be yana bo mresokra. Or buy1on1.com. Just log on www.buy1on1.com. Binyanya winner. Also will be our tone swag. The patch of Fabra, buy1on1.com. Ubinya amount for Momaton and the amount. What do I dare to us? A free and your way. It's free and says here 0302 300 472. A face 0266 637 111. The patch of color party basso, a basso den training coin. Here, yeah, cry at the brow. So yeah, the brow. Color party, all about a basso den. Etia mo amusha Adom TV, mo amuti Adom FM, mo amuti Asempa FM. Unyina. Yeah, come on fra. Another exciting edition of Adom Color Party near the Brewo. Now, when you bay said, yeah, picnic, no, yeah, no, and you may said, yeah, Phoebe, no, this year, the whole day, and 2 bar for family in Nabra. Oh, now I wish your phone in Nabra. Not just say, you did do one corner, not games who cost one corner, not just say, only present a senior, the idea now, selfie senior, the you caucus, not games, been on the idea. Yeah, baby, yeah, Jenny the whole day. Now, families never ban you organize the competitions outdoors. Eh, be a Asimesi family, or your Bentin family, cooking competition, necessary near her the okra. Bouncy castles in the idea, number of rain and oh, Maza. Yeah, Tulu near Troll or Warren near the any dummy now. A bay at the pa. When on yes, more Mabankwana Muyo, Yanamu never to Afra. Jaduma friend presenters need DJ's name. Obia. Yeah, Nani around, not just a but TV no Sonia the idea. What I say? It's in Pacho, Momodia, just stay tuned. Na Enchebia, a basso. Ubehu venue, Ubehu date, Ubehu time. Not just a touch him. 4 minutes to 6. Follow me. Follow me. Yankosa. I see you in Anapoku. Or United States of America. Miniana Boko there. That the amount for us here wish me happy birthday and tell me there. I won't tell you. So this trip my happy birthday there. Kame Petro Krobimo Butuna. Mine I said better better as you know yourself. ABU Abu. Send come on, you better as young one, the uncle. My birthday, no. Come to me, who Pumua near the Anna Jose. Peter no Pocos here, you mean that Media Empire Bonqua. Is it real when you? Abu no. Me patro nyame Adom Sunday here by date no 3rd February. Na yede Adom edidie with Pokuya 101. Brew. Tamas Kitchen Waterma Community 2. Snit Nechi wana. Snit for office Nechi wa Community 2. And quite there wa Papa B. Oh jai. Bosomina wu afoforo ahya yes ano awurade jai enkwan no mudwagum se ya so mudwagum ani eti patro Sunday we bra na behwe nkwan chia wuti se ya na sankwan sa odo akwa lady bi o friend dede aka azashi okwa asidede Jerry Smith mehuna special one bi o abemam bi ekore nkwan wa Etiano pattern na shase. Sa kopim so bebre no akọ hosted by Pokuya Wendy and OPD. sponsored by Amalina Children's Heaven. And Mofrania Mapapani na Hona Benyanato. Omo background the beba ho abechicha manfo we Tamas Kitchen. Ofie Amado and Sons Limited, producers of Wemplex 400 and Alpha Garlic. Aircron Limited, almost in a mine Prekese Power. And then Ordained Bitters. It is powered by Pukuya 101 Concept and Adom FM. It's Patrol Sunday with Mieshia. Tamas Kitchen Tema Community 2. DDA with Pukuya 101. And this is Reverend Bernard Amankwa. Hallelujah, Hosanna. Sofununu. Reverend Bernard Amankwa Nunu. Shouts going out to you, Gifty Deborah on Twitter. I hear you, and I thank you as well. And then Ni Abe Harrisman. So when is the actual birthday date? Oh, yeah, I see it. Anyway, it's on the 6th of February. But please give me a shout out during Ofie Kwanso. My name is George Abe from Tema Newtown inside EE Fashion. Joe, I just did. And then Kofi Simpe also on Twitter says, no wonder you rock love songs, Zano. Love songs, Lydia. Yeah, baby. Me fan Chason Koma Juliana Okuamwa Boatin. Tema Market, Papa Wabelande Organa. Tema Market, Hamburg, Lande Organa. Edika Kachem Yami Aduma 40 Bay. Hamburg Home. Lodge, our Tema come to tell you, may dear Bass1 and Yazy, Cassifa. About Julie. Your program, my friend, your bonk on wine. Be a bear fine. It is now a minute after 4. That was 106.3 FM. Shouts going out to you, Kofi CP on Twitter. I see you, man. And then Abranti Andy also says, good afternoon, Brad. I want to thank God for ushering me, my family, my friends, and all loved ones into a new month. He's been so good to me, despite my imperfections. I've got nothing to say than to thank him. That's a good one. Yeah. Wave your handkerchief. They soaring estate for Adaroma and a fay Roma insecticide spray. Ye shall someone ye de etu hofo and a we Ofie Kwanso media so. E ba cho ya hye bosome foforo ase. Na se de ya hye bosome foforo ase no ese pass bi kakra bi na ye de hwe na ye de tu hofo kakra se be ya e betimi aboan na enema bi a ye ni da kwan se ye nsa betimi aka no ye nsa etimi aka ntimpa cho enne asem a yedi tu on from obrofo kasem na asem say As we commence another month, a day, I shall see. Let's go of the pain and disappointment of the past. If you don't leave your past disappointment behind where it belongs, it will destroy your future. Yes, Shabosume for France here in a day, and yama be a besen call. Yaw bia wadie abambu asem bia abawa kwemu enema bia kyese antimi anko yie hwamodie bia ba wasetremu bia no. They are all in the past now. As a so timi jai sa nema ni mu nyina wo wachi na woto aso ko wanim esan se wokosoa na wukurakura sa nema num na wanya ni nyina mu amfa nto wachi ba bia sese eka na bre ni abri nyina no wode wa hoode ne ususue no adwendwi nyina ko gina de abesen kɔ no so hwamodie bi eba wasetrem oya one amane bi a ofam eno ana oguso dwen ho de a enya de ebetimi aboa woye na woda ache de wo hwe ne mu kwan no wonsa atimi aka esan se abra akonya foforo kra ba beda wani mu ama wo no sa bre no na oguso de dwen de abesen kɔ no eti ebasa untimi take advantage of that opportunity ya eda wani mu no ti abreni na ugina wanam untimi nko enko wanim. It is only those people who are able to leave the past behind and focus on the future and it mean making in this life. In say ya shebosome for France and day the 1st of February 2019 me patcho DC 31st January DC 30th, DC 29th, DC 28th, 26th, 27th, 26th, 25th, and the copim impo from the beginning of the year. DC any nano, a chum, Jamenko. There's no way you can turn back the hands of time. And ye, a chum we, the aka wenimuno, and a dawson. The aka wenimuno, and no now bit me, baby. So, what are you doing today? Say, baby, bit me aboa. Now I build it up to that brighter future you're looking forward to. Let's go of the past. Eko. Why? Na yen hwe de aka edi anim no. Ebeyi kakra. Ene unya baako, ochande baako kan ho yemienu. Ade chena baako be kan ho yemiensa. Kakra obeko wanim. There's no way enra de na onsan kan disappointment ba mu no. Ubetimi akotwe no de abeka ne de no wanya mienu da bi. It is otimi nya baako enne na ope baako aka ho a. Unless you look forward to tomorrow. So binya ochna de no de aka ene de no na timia emienu. Untimi nko wachi nko fe nra de no fa me kan de no to get to. No, it doesn't work that way. And until na de atwam no es wo jam na eko na wo hwe de aka edi wanim no eno so enim kwan. Me di ye se watie asemi e wasopam na betu so anamo na atimi awie oye. Ye fa na ase na ma Soaring Estate. We a group of young Christians omo back together and omo form it sa adwumakui ya to the Soaring Estate. The ya na say ye boa se be ya emabu especially ye omo abo type papa bi so mo ni se nko be pebra papa bi abo apasa se bi asi omo dan bi asi so nenso langas sem ne nsase etoma krumu anipa be 1000 na fe manso koba na fe wajamu etoda kro be si asase so bi abati satie ni obebu aku uti anye ye kro bi akoto aduru ukoti asase ne so obeduru fie na onan aho ase osono nan hadwen enunti no mo yi sa problems ni na afio omo apensase se dadwa kese e wo beautiful locations etu chire baby a ope wo de na yakwa wa kwa akohwe asase ni ya yudi amaw krata semni bibia dem yopo no bia eden ekone baby simple and titia Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays ye ne omanfo call location omo akohwe in site no e free of charge enjoy hwe okona wa ye convinced that na chese waje wasase na me de bia me kan de tisu se companies na tonton sase e yo advert mom ni na e advert ni ye ya chese ye bo omodwuma wo dawuru mom but one company e Soaring Estate yeah no de me ankasa metie metimi adi hu adanse because I've dealt with them na minim said de koye who say in fact they are good people, strong Christians pa young Christians all back together na nyame asem ti omumu a chese omo esru nyame enom de yom adwuma no. They are fantastic people. Human relations cry A1. The patcho baby no. Newtown so yeah. What they won nam Accra Circular Motor Road is so yeah. Udu boomerang ona caprice ya no fa boomerang chen ona yes the ode ko Newtown no. O branch ye o kevo kakra now yes o ko animu na there's a washing bay over there on your right. Ujina washing bay anymore directly opposite Abansubisio esro na be mu sorry next it. Ko na they are ready to serve you. Why? The PRB France will be assess you dance so. Fresh is here 0270 012 295. Afi 050 054 5457. That's 0270 012 295 and 050 054 5457. Bet me so send the WhatsApp. We WhatsApp on Kwanya free and we 0244 721 348. That's 0244 721 348. Sorry next it where God lives. Roma insecticide spray. Me a good demo keke no one where we and tonton kakape kakalika ne once nan money ade ade omu nyina ekum one time na onso wetimi enyu asum wie no wada ade ba akọ ye bufu kura se entonton no no wonka but obe disturb wo asum no me da ba bi na mani kum se de na entonton ye no farm aso pe no are nanatiko me bresa enye fine iti pe Roma insecticide spray na fa tuo mu ase ne mosquito coil so ho eno so Sunday si wo sa e bodwuma correct pa e smokeless intino chest infections ne kata ne cold ne ade bia niwa e beba mo so eno so kura nice fragrance a share say all night long now them woni na stay fresh all the times tibo mo dey apia chia kwan from shops, stores and supermarkets around you. Roma and Tonton Master you don't want se pa so mo so ya sene e ma ye de a futui ebro. That's what it is. Okay, so let's get back to some more music with a time just about 10 minutes after 4, and this one here is coming from my man Sarkodie and it features Obrafo. Hope they call this one Brighter Day.
I would see be I won't quadia my one bemungo. You saw beton and so the tia if you ever want to bensu. So you ask a crab program, you for be you a man. Chedian points in the neat one and muscle, Mawa coming to. Also, I was on a